experiment is characteristics of a solar cell. Here we are studying the IV characteristics of a solar cell, that is current voltage characteristics of a solar cell. And we are going to draw the characteristics curve of the solar cell. For this experiment, we must require a solar cell, a lamp here, and this is solar cell characteristics apparatus, which consists of a millivoltmeter and a milliammeter. And we must require a resistant box, 2 keys, finally some connecting wires. Now we are going to make the connections of solar cell characteristics. This is our solar cell, and these are the 2 terminals of solar cell. This is positive terminal and this one is negative terminal. Actually, we are using the light of this lamp in order to work the solar cell. This is solar cell characteristics apparatus, and these are the terminals of solar cell. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal of the solar cell. First of all, we have to connect these 2 terminals of solar cell to the corresponding terminals in this apparatus. So, positive terminal is connected with this positive and negative terminal is connected with this negative terminal. Now, the solar cell is connected with the solar cell characteristics apparatus. After connecting the solar cell, what we do is, the negative terminal of solar cell is connected with the negative terminal of millivoltmeter. Similarly, the positive terminal of millivoltmeter is connected to a key which I have placed here. This is our key K1. So the positive terminal of millivoltmeter is connected to the key, one end of the key, and the other end is connected with the positive terminal of solar cell. Now, the negative end of millivoltmeter is connected to one end of the another key K2, like this, and the other terminal of K2 is connected to the negative terminal of milliammeter. Then the remaining terminal of milliammeter, that is positive terminal, it is connected to one end of this resistance box other end of the resistance box is connected to the terminal of key 1, which is already connected with the positive terminal of solar cell. These are the connections that we have to make in order to study the solar cell characteristics. Now we are moving to the procedure of solar cell experiment. For that, first of all, the solar cell is kept at a fixed distance from this lamp. The distance between the solar cell and lamp is not varying, it is kept at a fixed distance. Then we have to calculate the maximum readings in this millivoltmeter as well as in milliammeter. For this purpose, we are using these 2 keys. First of all, the key K1 is closed and the key K2 is open, so that a maximum reading is obtained in millivoltmeter. Look here, there are so many divisions on this millivoltmeter. Now the reading on this millivoltmeter is 240 millivolt. Then we have to find the maximum reading of this milliammeter, that is the maximum value of current. For this purpose, key K1 is open and the key K2 is closed. Now look at here, the reading in voltmeter is 0. The reading in this milliammeter is maximum and its value is 5 milliampere. While calculating the maximum values in millivoltmeter and milliammeter, keep in mind that the resistance box must be nil, that is, no resistance is included in this circuit. After this, key K1 and K2 are kept closed. Then the resistance is varied from 10, 20, 40, etc. The corresponding readings of millivoltmeter and milliammeter are noted. For example, I am taking 20 ohm from this resistance box. That is, now I am including 20 ohm to this circuit. Now look at the readings of millivoltmeter and milliammeter. Here the reading is 120 millivolt, and in the case of milliammeter, the value of current is 4 milliampere. This process is continued by varying the values of resistance in the circuit, and the corresponding readings of voltmeter and ammeter are noted. As the second step of our experiment, what we do is keep the resistance in this resistance box, a fixed one, for example 100 ohm. Now we are providing 100 ohm to our circuit. We are not varying the resistance is kept constant. What we are going to vary is the distance between the solar cell and lamp. For example, 5 cm, 8 cm and so on. Look at the readings. While I am increases the distance between the solar cell and lamp, the values on voltmeter as well as ammeter are also varying. So the corresponding readings are noted for different values of distance.